Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hina Farooq. I'm a consultant dermatologist and today I have come up with an exciting video. As a dermatologist, मुझे बहुत सारे clients मिलते हैं, बहुत सारे patients मिलते हैं who want to achieve brighter and even toned, a glowing skin. And the sad part is कि market में ऐसे बहुत सारे products available हैं जिनमें बहुत harmful ingredients डले हुए होते हैं. लोग over the counter ले लेते हैं और use करते हैं अपनी skin पर जिनके अंदर बहुत harmful ingredients डले हुए होते हैं like mercury, steroid, जो कि instantly तो आपकी skin को बहुत brighten up कर देते हैं but लॉन्ग टर्म में स्किन का बहुत बुरा हाल हो जाता है. सो टुडे आई हैव कम अप विद एन एक्साइटिंग प्रोडक्ट. Okay, so now why do I like this product? The fact that it is free from harmful chemicals like mercury, steroids, it's cruelty free, it's halal certified and it's non-comedogenic. मतलब कि it will not clog your pores and it will not give you breakouts. Now I will talk about the ingredients in this product and how they work. Number one ingredient is salicylic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid. Works as an exfoliant. It unclogs your pores, it treats your blackheads, your whiteheads, and helps you achieve a smoother, a brighter skin. और इस product में ये है encapsulated form में, which means that it is a slow release technology, which is 20% more effective and it will not irritate your skin at the same time. Secondly, इसके अंदर है hyaluronic acid जो कि मेरा favorite ingredient है when it comes to hydration and plumping up of your skin. इसके अलावा इसमें है natural sugars जो कि moisture binding agents हैं that lock in moisture for up to 48 hours. And it also has willow bark extract along with sunflower oil, which is one of the best oils that there can be for your skin. और इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे researches भी हुए हैं कि it's a powerful antioxidant, it calms inflammation and redness. So a combination of all these amazing products helps you achieve what you've always been dreaming of, that is clearer, a smoother and a brighter skin. Another cool thing about this product is that it has a smart color technology. मतलब ये कि जब आप इसको apply करेंगे skin पर, it will stay white, and when you start scrubbing, it will eventually turn gray, which means that's the time to rinse it off. So this technology basically helps you prevent the overuse of it and the underuse of it. आपको पता चल जाता है बहुत easily कि कितने time के लिए आपने इसको लगाना है और कितनी देर बाद उतारना है. Okay, so first up, cleanse your skin completely. Remove all the impurities, all the makeup, everything. The first step is that you have to apply a thin layer of this mask onto your skin, and you have to avoid the eye area. Okay, so I have applied all over my face. Never forget the neck area, of course, that's very important. I'm going to keep it on for around 2 to 3 minutes to let it sit and the ingredients to get activated. So as you can see, it's all white. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes till I start scrubbing. Okay, so now I'm going to start scrubbing and I'll show you how this is going to change color, and that's when you know you have to remove it. Okay, so I have been scrubbing it on my skin for around 4 to 5 minutes and you can see that it has turned gray. तो ये इसका ओरिजिनल कलर था जब मैंने इसको अप्लाई किया था, and now you can see the change in color. It has turned gray. So this is the time to rinse it off. So while I'm rinsing it, it's all gray. It's all gray. You can see. I have rinsed my face and I can feel मेरी skin बहुत अच्छे तरीके से cleanse हो गई है. There were some blackheads यहाँ पर. There is a shine on my nose. Feels like more hydrated. और एक और step जो आपने करना है after removing it is that you have to apply a good moisturizer because it can dry up your skin. So it's very important that you moisturize your skin really well afterwards. Can you see how cleansed my skin is? It's brighter, it looks hydrated, plump, and the best part is there's no irritation on my skin. Oh my god, I love the results. As a dermatologist, I always approve of products that are not harmful for your skin, that are safe to use, and that are well researched. This whitening mask by Co Natural is actually free from all harmful ingredients, has really powerful ingredients that can help you achieve a brighter and a glowing skin. To achieve best results, you have to use it twice a week. Try this product out and let me know in the comments how was your experience.